If you're enjoying this content, please click on like and follow below. All right, so Nick writes, hello from the UK. Well, hello to you too, Nick. Whenever whenever I hear about the UK, I always think about Ted Lasso, and Ted Lasso has these shorts on YouTube, and there's one where he's coaching the Tottenham Hotspurs, and he says, how many countries are in this country? Right? I mean, so what part of the UK are you in, Nick? I know the UK, is a collection of countries. So what part? Let us know the city in the country. Was wondering, how do we decide to master NLP or computer vision? Ooh, gosh, you guys are asking the diverse questions today. The NLP and computer vision are so different, right? So let me know. No, you know what? This is all about you. What interests you the most, right? Like, what interests you about NLP and what interests you about computer vision, and go in that direction. Like, personally, like, how do I put this? I think that for NLP, some of the exciting things right now are going to be happening with the non-English languages, right? Working in LLMs, or really anything in NLP that's non-English, is going to be like super fascinating. I don't want to say too many things about this because, to protect my clients, but like working, like, have any of you guys, like, in the chat done NLP with some of like the Asian languages, like the character-based languages? Like, that's almost like a whole other exercise than doing like NLP in English or other languages, right? So I think there's a lot of interesting things in that field. But that's me. That's me expressing my interests. What are some of your interests, Nick? So let us know in the chat. Maybe you want to clarify as far as, what exactly interests you about it. So yeah, let us know. But to me, those are two very diverse fields. I think it'd be hard to master both of them. So you do have to pick one. But let me know what interests you.